Hello students, our reading comprehension lesson today will be on cause and effect. What is cause and effect, you may ask? Well, by the end of this short lesson, you will be able to 1. Explain the difference between the terms cause and effect. 2. Identify some clue words to help separate the cause and effect in sentences. And 3. Identify the cause and effect in given sentences. We are going to dive right into our lesson today, students. Let's look at cause. Cause is what makes something else happen or why something happens. Effect is the result of what happens. To help you remember how cause and effect are related, we can say that cause happens first and effect happens second. For this lesson, students, we are going to become cause and effect detectives. Sometimes there are clue words to signal cause and effect relationships. They separate the cause and effect, and they help us figure out what happened first and what happened second. Words like because, and so. These are just a few clue words. We will explore more in our next cause and effect lesson. Now, let's look at some sentences to see if we can identify the cause and effect. Read the sentence with me. Beth stayed home from school because she had the flu. Do you see any of our signal words in this sentence? If you said because, you are right. Great job. Look at the underlined statements. She had the flu. Beth stayed home from school. Which of these statements is the cause? Remember, the cause is why something happens, and it happens first. If you said she had the flu is the cause, you are correct. Beth's having the flu would have happened first, and the effect or the result of the flu would be her staying home. Nice work, class. Here's another sentence, class. Read along with me. Tom was going too fast and fell off his bicycle. Do you see any clue words in this sentence? Look closely. If you said and, you were correct. Awesome looking out. Now take a look at the circle statements. Tom was going too fast. Fell off his bicycle. Which of these statements is the cause and which is the effect? If you said Tom was going too fast is the cause, you are right. The effect would then be fell off his bicycle, because this is what happened as a result of Tom going fast. Fabulous job, class. You have done a fantastic job thus far, students. Read this last sentence with me and see if you can identify the cause and effect. The girl was sleepy, so she sat on her mother's lap. Do you spy any clue words in this sentence? If you said yes, then you are correct. What is that word? That word is so. And it helps us separate and identify the cause from the effect. Now, which of the boxes contain the cause and effect? If you said the cause is the little girl was sleepy, you were right. The effect would then be she sat on her mother's lap because it happened because she was sleepy. Great job. Time to review what we have learned in today's lesson, students. Cause is what makes something else happen or why it happens. It is also the first thing that happens. Effect is the result of what happens, and it is the second thing that happens. You did an awesome job today, class. Thanks again for being such good listeners and participating in this lesson. You are now officially cause and effect detectives.